Now, many schools are left reworking initial plans of restarting school because of a new directive from the Department of Education saying if students are attending classes, they must be there all week. However, Benton schools are splitting up their attendance days in the early go of the new year. Our Jay Burr is in Benton and has more. Jay.
Yeah, Claire, you could almost say that Benton is defying that directive sent down by Jonny, but that's not necessarily the case because it is only temporary, and they're only doing this for the first 2 weeks out of an abundance of caution. The Benton School District will be splitting their student population in half for the first 2 weeks of the new year. Students with the last name A through M will be at school on Monday and Thursday. N through Z will be Tuesday and Friday. And Wednesday will be a cleaning day. When students are not in the building, it will be a virtual day.
2 weeks, that's our plan, is to ease kids in, make sure that we're keeping them healthy and safe. After the first 2 weeks of school, we'll reevaluate. Before that Labor Day holiday, we'll reevaluate and see where we're going from there.
The Department of Education is allowing this because it is only temporary.
But that first 2 weeks also allows us to teach them the things that are different, you know, and how to wear a mask and how to stay social distance and how to walk in the hallways and that sort of thing to try to keep their interaction and the virus spread to a minimum.
And junior high principal Chad Pitts says these first 2 weeks will be about more than just what classroom expectations are and when the first test is.
We're there with them. This is different for all of us, and we're all going to do the best we can.
Pitt says his school will be looking at what works and what does not intently those first 2 weeks, then we'll reevaluate the situation at the junior high.
There's a lot of things that are new because of the virus and that sort of thing, but at some point we're going to have to shift our focus from virus back onto learning.
Now, Bradley tells me if there is a home with siblings that happen to have 2 different last names, all that parent would have to do is to contact the school and they can make those arrangements for them. Students should be getting those class assignments and schedules come late next week. Live from Benton High School, Jay Burt, Fox 16 News.